We're back in my closet today. So if you are someone who loves to shop and loves to spend money, swipe, because this video is not for you. So I want to explain to you, we talked about in one of my videos recently about how many towels, how many sheets you need. And it got me to thinking about, clothes and everything else. I guess you would call me a frugal person. I tend to think of myself more as just practical. When it comes to clothes, there are some things I spend decent money for, and some things I just don't see the point in it. So I'm just going to kind of go over with you what I wear and why I spend the money I do. So to some of you, this will seem like awful, and some of you, this will make sense to you. So first of all, I live in jeans. I buy Lee jeans. I used to be able to get them for $22 a pair at the outlet down the road. Now they're about 30 bucks. But I don't see the point in spending hundreds of dollars for jeans. Lee jeans are great. They have all different styles. I generally have about 6 pair in my drawer that I'm circling through because, you have bootleg, you have, ones you wear with boots, you have ones you wear with, just regular shoes. I like Lee because they come in talls. I'm long-legged, so that's important for me. And I wear my jeans out. I first get them, then they're my good jeans, and then they're around the house jeans. And then they're like the ones I would garden with or I'd wear on the job. So I wear my jeans until they're pretty much shot. So I get good wear out of my jeans, but I don't see the point in spending a lot of money. And I know that Lee jeans fit me well. It's just easy. Like I said, I don't like to shop. So what else do I wear? Okay, so for instance, there's a Jockey outlet down the road too. I have worn Jockey for her underwear for forever. It's easy. I know it fits. I know what size. They send me coupons and I go and I stock up on it every so often. So in my drawer, I have probably 10 pair of underwear. When I buy something new, I don't automatically put it in my drawer. I love these bins, okay? So I've got a bin here. And when they send me a coupon, I'll go buy a couple packs, stick them in the bin. Then when I'm going in, I go, yeah, there's a few pair I want to weed out and throw in the trash. I've got new ones. I don't have to go shopping. Same thing, they sell these great little tank tops, and I wear them for various things. So I buy them, but I don't automatically come home and put them in my drawer. I have probably 6 in there, and when one of them gets pitched, then I'll pull out another one. My tops. Now, I have different ones I wear. I'll go to lots of times consignment or secondhand shops, because unless somebody else did the shopping, bought something they didn't like, and they sell it there, and then I can get it for a bargain. But I have kind of what I call my uniform tops. They're either V-neck or crew neck, short sleeve, 3/4 length, or long sleeves. And I know what colors I like them in. So at the beginning of each season, I'll just buy a couple and I keep them in my closet with the tags on. And when I'm pulling one out and I decide, okay, yeah, this one's gonna go, I've got another shirt to replace it. So I don't have to go shopping again. One of the stores I buy these at is Kohl's, and I'll go when Kohl's is offering these coupons. You spend so much money, and they'll give you coupons for other stuff down the road. Well, then what I do is I take those coupons, instead of spending on something I don't need, I'll stock up on socks. I got bins with socks in, because again, you're wearing them. I keep a drawer full of socks, and I wear them for a while, and then pitch a pair, I got a pair ready to go. I always keep a couple pair of my muckla, because I love those in the wintertime. I go into people's houses to downsize them, and I might open up somebody's drawer, and they might have 40 pair of underwear. What is the point of that? I keep enough that I'm going through until I do laundry again. But if you buy something, you don't automatically have to put it in your drawer. Think about just kind of keeping some stuff back, and you get it when you need it. Because like I said, I don't like to shop. And yes, maybe I'm frugal, but I will spend money on things I really like. I have kind of a coat problem, but we won't discuss that today. I like to buy boots if I have nice boots. But again, I've got 1 pair I wear most of the time as far as my knee-high boots. My short boots, I have 2 pair of those. I don't have 16 pair of shoes. I've been in people's closets and it's they don't even know what they have in there. My sandals for the summer, I've got a black pair and I've got a navy pair. That's it. And when they wear out, well, I've got 2 more pair that I bought this season, so I'll have to replace those. So I'm going through and I am buying things as I need them. But when I have something and I like it, I stick with it. I will tell you more information than you need to know. I like Warner t-shirt bras. So I periodically, again, there's not 8 million in my drawer. I have 3, a black one, a tan one, and usually a white one or a pastel one. So that I cycle through those every couple of days. And it depends what I'm wearing as to what bra I pull out to wear. But when they're on sale, I'll buy a couple and I put them up in a bin. Because you know, there are times you put them around, you go, okay, yeah, this one's expired. And you get rid of it. I've got another one there. I don't have to go searching for one. So think about how you're buying your clothes and what you're doing. Because really, you don't need to buy something and automatically put it in your drawer. You can hold it back for when you need it, which kind of, to me, makes a little more sense. So that's your downsizing pro tip of the day. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you'll see more of my videos in the future.